What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all a quick update of Litecoin. First of all, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I hope you have a wonderful time today. Eat some good food, enjoy some time with your family. I want to do Litecoin because a lot of people have been requesting it. It's been really moving the market recently, been one of the top movers. So figured we get into this. We're just going to do a quick one today, guys. If you get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated. Let's dig into this. So first of all, we're going to start with the LTC BTC chart. And what I wanted to point out here, guys, we're getting a little bit overextended. It's really nice to see this move coming in. We're getting into an intermediate term uptrend that's going to be on the 1-day time frame here. So we've had our low, we had a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high now. So we are in an uptrend for LTC BTC, and that's going to be on the 1-day time frame. We're getting a little overextended. I would anticipate some type of retracement coming back up in the next few days. One thing we have to look at here, guys, while we get excited about Litecoin is Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin ends up dumping in the next few days or, getting a big push down, then it's most likely going to take Litecoin with it. So it's nice to see Litecoin leading the market right now, but we still have to pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. So we've got to keep that in the back of our mind, guys. It's nice to see this little accumulation area coming in. We're getting heavier volume. It's above average volume. So that's nice to see. If we get into some of our indicators here, our relative strength is going to be up around 83 right now, and that's on the 1-day time frame. So just be cautious if you are playing these moves out there. If you're playing them on the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame and just doing quick flips, just remember to take your profit. That's going to be the main thing, guys, because this price could come down fairly quick, and you know how it works in this space. Now, if we get into the 1-day time frame here, and this is going to be against USD pair, and we step back. And the reason I'm using the line graph is to really get you guys good detail of trends and support and resistance right now. I think that's something that's really going to be important for us, and we need to pay attention to it. So on the 1-day time frame, what you can see is this nice accumulation area that we've been in down in this range here. Seems like around $40 is held for quite a while now. It's been a strong support area for us, and that's all the way back to June. So since then, we've been trading roughly around $40 all the way up to about that $65 or so. And you can also see on our VRVP here that this has been a big area of just buying and selling, just a lot of fight back and forth in this range here. So that's going to be a big support area for Litecoin. Good thing that Litecoin has going for it here. If we turn on our 50-day moving average and our 200-day moving average, we're getting pretty close to a golden cross here, which we have not seen in, obviously, guys, quite a long time. We're going to go all the way back to about the 9th of November of 2021. Is the last time we saw a cross to the upside there. So it's not confirmed yet, but it is something we're keeping an eye on. We have gotten that heavier volume. Like I said, I'm more concerned. I like what Litecoin's doing here, but I'm more concerned about Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin dumps, what it would do to Litecoin, because it could very well bring us back into that, $55 to $40 range very fast, guys. That's how these things work in this market. So you have to be prepared both to the upside and the downside. If you're trading it, just be very nimble is what I'd have to tell you. So if we pull off some things here and just really look at price action, guys, I'm going to get a few things off the chart for us here so we can really step back and just take a look at this. All right. So I have an alert, an alarm here, and this is going to be up around $83. And the reason for that is you can see this is a main area of resistance. We've had it back in this area. We've had it over here. So this area right here, a lot of guys are paying attention to. So I want to see how Litecoin reacts off that. In my opinion, we could push a little bit higher, guys, but most likely we're going to get a nice retracement. And you can use Fibonacci levels to determine where this potentially could go. So if we did top in that range, first area we'd look is at 0.382, and that's going to be at $68. Then we'd look to that 0.5 at around 64. A more probable area would be that 0.618 at around $61. See some area here we could have support right in that range. Then you'd have down to that 0.786, and that would be at about $56. So I would still be anticipating some type of retracement coming up in the near future for Litecoin. If we get into the 4-hour time frame, see, we've had a really nice push up here, guys. Came on good heavy volume. We have had some significant selling pressure as well. Right up in that range, we made it up to about $82. If we get into the 1-hour time frame, consolidating sideways right now. So really keeping an eye on, we'd say about $75.81 would be the support that we'd want to see hold. If we break down through that, most likely going to go down and retest that $70.50. To the upside, main area we need to get over top of would be about $81.61. If we would be able to clear that, so just stepping back here. So let's go to the 12-hour, see if that can get us some good detail. Say the next major area there would probably be about $94.13, right up in that range. So just keeping an eye on this, guys. Most likely we could retrace, come back into some of those lower areas. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin and what Bitcoin's doing right now. We're down about 1% on the day, so we just got to keep an eye on that. That's the main thing, but it's nice to see some moves out of Litecoin here. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a great day.